All right, hello, I'm Owen Edwards. This is my CS516 User Interface 1 Project 4. This is a UI for good. My application is an air quality tracker, and as you can see from the description here, the air quality tracker is used to track air quality dynamically to make informed decisions and stay healthy. So pretty much my inspiration for this is that as far as a UI being used for good, I know that this UI could be used, for instance, if you're traveling and you're going somewhere where air quality might be a concern, or if you live somewhere where air quality might be a concern. This application actually, I said it's dynamic, so it uses API calls to actually check the air quality in real time. And I'll show you some more of that when I get into the features and functionalities here, but that's just the promise of how it's a UI being used for good. Just going into some of the components right here at the top, you see I have the header, which includes the title of the application as well as the icon. This is the same as the fav icon up here. We also include some fragment IDs used for navigation through the application. So for instance, if I click more information right here, it'll take me to the bottom where I can see there'd be more information. Additionally, if I click, let's say, air quality map here, that would take me to the air quality map on the application. Now let's go ahead and jump right in here, and let's query. I have three different components here. Let me get into that. I have three different components. You can search for a city, so that allows you to query for pretty much any city in the world. And then I have a summary of the air quality index of that city. This is right here is Los Angeles. This is just pre-populated data right now. You'll see what it looks like when it's updated. And then I also have a map here, which also has pre-populated data. So for instance, if I look at the air quality index at Los Angeles, it might say that's 4. Again, this is just pre-populated data. So let's go ahead and search up a city and see what the air quality index is there currently in real time using an API call. So let's look up Phoenix. As you can see, it tells us the air quality index right now in Phoenix is 3. It also tells us what this means. It says it's a low risk and that this is ideal air quality for outdoor activities. Additionally, it's also updated on the map here. It tells us it matches. It's an air quality index of 3. And this map is using Leaflet, which is a JavaScript library. It's very similar to the Google Maps API. Now, if we look at somewhere that has a different air quality index, for instance, let's look at Beijing. We can see Beijing has an air quality index of 5, which we have a conditional statement that checks what the air quality index means. It says that's a moderate risk. You can read about what that does right here, or what that means right here. It informs the user of what that means, because the user might not know what an AQI is, but our application explains that to them. Additionally, if I zoom out, we'll see that over here in Beijing, it actually tells us what the air quality index is after we queried for it. Just an additional part of the application, we include some health tips here about how to deal with higher air quality indexes, which might just have implications on your health. So these just provide ways so the user knows how to stay healthy in conditions where air quality index is higher. And then just one last thing, at the very bottom here, I have a footer just showing, more just about the, general idea of what the application has on it. So yeah, that's pretty much my full application of UI being used for good. Thank you.